Hi everyone, in today's video we going to take a look and discover one of the best diet ever, so stay to the end of the video and you will learn the best way to keep you and your family healthy. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and leave your comments below. The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional foods that people used to eat in countries like Italy and Greece and Spain. Researchers noted that these people were exceptionally healthy compared to the rest of the other countries and had a low risk of many lifestyle diseases. Many studies have now shown that the Mediterranean diet can cause weight loss and help prevent heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes and premature death. Consider all of this as a general guideline, not something written in stone. The plan can be modified to your individual needs and preferences. Guideline: eat vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, potatoes, whole grains, breads, herbs, spices, fish, seafood and extra virgin olive oil. Eat in moderation, poultry, eggs, cheese and yogurt. Eat only rarely, red meat. Don't eat sugar-sweetened beverages, added sugars, processed meat, refined grains, refined oils and other highly processed foods. Avoid unhealthy foods such as added sugar, soda, candies, ice cream, table sugar and many others. Refined grains, white bread, pasta made with refined wheat, etc. Trans fats, found in margarine and various processed foods. Refined oils, soybean oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil and others. Processed meat, processed sausages, hot dogs, etc. Highly processed foods, anything labeled low-fat or diet or which looks like it was made in a factory. What's to eat? Everything high in healthy plant foods and relatively low in animal foods. However, eating fish and seafood is recommended at least twice a week. You should base your diet on these healthy, unprocessed foods. Healthy fats, extra virgin olive oil, olives, avocados and avocado oil. Herbs and spices, garlic, basil, mint, rosemary, sage, nutmeg, cinnamon, pepper. Vegetables, tomatoes, broccoli, kale, spinach, onions, cauliflower, carrots, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers. Fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, pears, strawberries, grapes, dates, figs, melons, peaches. Poultry, chicken, duck, turkey. Dairy, cheese, yogurt, Greek yogurt. Eggs, chicken, quail and duck eggs. Whole grains, whole oats, brown rice, rye, barley, corn, buckwheat, whole wheat, whole grain bread and pasta. Legumes, beans, peas, lentils, pulses, peanuts, chickpeas. Tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, turnips, yams. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, hazelnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. What should you drink? Water should be your go-to beverage on a Mediterranean diet. Red wine, around 1 glass per day. Coffee and tea are also completely acceptable, but you should avoid sugar sweetened. Sample menu for 1 week of Mediterranean diet. Monday. Breakfast, omelette with veggies and olives, fruit for dessert. Lunch, tuna salad sandwich, tomatoes and onions. Dinner, grilled chicken, with vegetables and potato, fruit for dessert. Tuesday. Breakfast, oatmeal with raisins, nuts and apple. Lunch, whole grain sandwich with tomatoes and onions. Dinner, Mediterranean pizza made with whole wheat, topped with cheese, vegetables and olives. Wednesday. Breakfast, eggs and vegetables, fried in olive oil. Lunch, Greek yogurt with strawberries and oats. Dinner, grilled lamb, with salad and baked potato. Thursday. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with strawberries. Lunch, whole grain sandwich with vegetables. Dinner, a tuna salad, dressed in olive oil. A piece of fruit. Friday. Breakfast, oatmeal with raisins. Lunch, salmon salad from the night before. Dinner, salad with tomatoes, olives and cheese. Saturday. Breakfast, omelette with veggies, tomatoes and onions. Lunch, whole grain sandwich, with cheese. Dinner, Mediterranean lasagna. Sunday. Breakfast, yogurt with sliced fruits. Lunch, lasagna from the night before. Dinner, broiled salmon, served with brown rice and tomatoes. With this diet you don't need to eat more than 3 times per day. But if you get hungry between meals, here are some health snacks. Apple slices. Greek yogurt. Berries or grapes. Carrots or baby carrots. Some nuts. A piece of fruit. It is best if you can clear all unhealthy foods from your home, including sodas, ice cream, candy, pastries, white bread, crackers and processed foods. If you only keep healthy food in your home, you will eat only healthy food. On the end of the day, this diet is incredibly healthy and satisfying. You won't be disappointed. So if you think you are up for the challenge, start today this incredible diet, lose weight, get better health for you and your family. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.